Hello, just a short video how to remove your hood from your LT42, 46, 52, whatever. First off, you disconnect the light plug. I'll show you closely how to do that. Okay, now you can see better. Here's the light plug. You just unplug it. That's it. All you do now is just lift it up like this. That's it. Let me show how that works. And if I do that, let me tell you something. If you want to buy a Cub Cadet, you should buy it now. The prices are going up and they're hilarious now. Anyway, I was lucky. I got this 3 years ago for 3,800 Australian dollars. So, and today when you look it up, they are around 5,000 and more. People have brought so many of these. That's why the price has gone up. So if you think to buy one, you should buy it now, I guess. Anyway, that's where it sits in here, in these holders. And all you do really is you lift it up, slide it in. I hope you see that. Probably not. Now you can't see that. I'll do it again, make it brighter if I can. Okay, let me show you again. Here these holders, and you can see here they have these nuts in here, and you just slide it in like this, and that's it. Then you connect your light back in. Oh, yeah. If you want to have a light, there's no switch to turn it off, so if you don't want to have a light, you can just leave it off. Okay, that's it. Then you shut your hood. That's how easy you remove your hood. That's it. Easy. Easier as filling petrol up. Alright guys, thanks for watching and hope to see you again. Bye bye.